REVO 90, the variable corner swiveling unit. All the parts for this easy and quick to install system come in one handy set. First, the curved plate is installed on the floor of the cabinet. The top panel bracket for fixed back panels is suitable for 80 and 90 cm cabinets. This also applies to the installation of the door fixing brackets. Just as easy at the top as at the bottom. The height adjustable axle is installed without the need for tools. The arena trays, also installed without tools, are adjustable to any height. Four identical door fixing brackets. No chance of confusion here. Clip-on door connectors ensure easy assembly of the doors. A third tray can be added later without problem, even in a fully assembled cabinet. Practical accessories like the lid holder and dividers ensure even more efficient use of the tray space. REVO 90, an original. From Kesseböhmer.